Yes, when someone asks you, how are you? What you have to say? You have to say, I am fine. Thank you. तो मैम भी आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, how are you? So you have to say, है ना? What you have to say? I am fine. Thank you. All right, kids. Now come on, let's start the class with welcome song. And you all have to sing along with ma'am. नहीं तो मैम अकेले थक जाते हैं ना, है ना? तो हम सब साथ में पढ़ेंगे. Come on, we all sing together. All right? चलो, let's start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. And this day become beautiful, even more beautiful with your beautiful smiles. All right. So kids, now let's say the prayer God's love. Okay? Let's start. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high. We can't get over it. So high. We can't get over it. So deep. We can't get under it. So deep. We can't get under it. So wide. We can't get around it. So wide. We can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. All right, kids. So kids, today is Tuesday and the date is 20 July 2021. Today the date is 20 July 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday. Ayush, switch on the camera. All right, kids, now come on, stand up for some warm-up exercises. Chalo, come on, fast. Very good. Come on. I don't want to say name again and again. Stand up, Puneet. Chalo. Now, what we'll do? Yes, today who is becoming ma'am in the class? Ayush? Yes, Ayush. You want to say? You want to do the exercise? Come on. Unmute yourself. All right. Chalo now. You will do today. क्या करेंगे सबसे first हम? Come on everyone. Stretch your arms and clap. Come on. Clap. Clap. Nitya, come on. खड़े होना है नित्या आपको. Stand up and do. Unnati. Now what we'll do?
Fingers.
Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on. This will improve your gross motor skills. And now Ayush, what we are going to do?
इसके बाद कौन सा? बताओ मैम को.
Yes. So very nice. Keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो and jump. Jump everyone. Daily I am going to ask any one of you. जैसे आज आयुष करवा रहा है, I am going to ask any one of you daily. to do the exercise in the prayer.
ये वाली मैम को दिखाओ, ये वाली।
Yes.
ऐसे वाला।
All right, Ayush. Now, yes, you have to move your wrist. Everyone, जैसे आज आयुष करवा रहा है, in the same way, I'm going to ask any one of you any day. Yes. Now, Ayush, now what we have to do?
कौन सी एक्सरसाइज होगी मैम?
Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Bend. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Again. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet.
नेक्स्ट कौन सा है?
Now the next one and the last one. Yes. So Ayush want to say that you have to keep your thumb here on your shoulder. Now forward. Yes. Forward. Fariza and Hidyansh. Now backward. Backward. अब पीछे करेंगे. All right. Thank you, Ayush. Very good, everyone.
Welcome.
All right. Now, Manika and Hidyansh, switch on the camera. All right, kids. Now we'll start our class. Ruhan, where are you? Ruhan, what are you doing? You have to sit in front of the screen. I'm looking at you. I have an eye on each of you. ठीक है? चलो, let's start. You all are becoming naughty day by day. मैम नहीं देखते तो कोई कहीं भी चला जाता है. No, you have to sit in front of the screen only. चलो, let's start. So, kids, today, first of all, we are going to say the vowels again. ठीक है? So, मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, how many vowels are there? Yes, very good. There are 5 vowels. चलो, show me 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. और rest are known as consonant. ये 5 vowels को छोड़कर जितने भी letters बच गए हैं, they are known as consonant. They are known as consonant. अच्छा, now kids, get your English copy. Get your English copy. All right. Now kids, listen. From today onwards, we are going to start our 2-letter words. So kindly be attentive in the class. आज से हमारे A to Z हो गया complete. We have done vowels. From today onwards, we are going to start 2-letter words. ठीक है? So everyone, you have to pay attention here. Get your copy and write down today's date. That is 27/2021. Why we have written 7 here? Because July is the 7th month. July is going on, है ना? मैम ने आपको बताया था. तो July is the 7th month. That's why we had written 7 here. So come on, get your English copy and write down today's date. And Ishita and Hidyansh, switch on the camera. It's up to now we are writing letters. अभी तक हम letters लिख रहे थे. जैसे हमने A लिख दिया, then M लिख दिया. So these are letters. Okay. जब हम when we add 2 or more letters together, जब हम एक से ज्यादा 2 या 2 से ज्यादा letters को साथ में लिखते हैं, so they are known as words. ठीक है? जब ये letters अकेले अकेले हैं, तो they are known as letter. पर जब हम इन दोनों लेटर को साथ में लिख देंगे, when we add the letters together, then it becomes words. क्या बन जाता है? Word. जब हम दो या दो से ज्यादा लेटर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, साथ में लिखते हैं, तो they are known as words. Understood? Mothers, any problem, kindly ask me. Kindly feel free to ask me anytime. ठीक है? आप लोग को समझ में आया बच्चों? अभी तक हम लेटर्स लिख रहे थे, ठीक है? But when we write two or more than two letters together, जब हम दो या दो से ज्यादा लेटर्स को साथ में लिख देते हैं, तो वो क्या बन जाता है? वर्ड. क्या बन जाता है? वर्ड. ठीक है? For example, one more example I am giving to you. Look. A and N. All right. अब ये दोनों अलग अलग हैं, तो ये लेटर्स हैं. But when we add A or N together, A and N, so it becomes word. When we add two or more than two letters together, तो वो क्या बन जाता है? Words. So today we are going to write down two letter words of A sound. All right? Understood up to here? Chalo. Now, number one. A plus M. सबसे पहले हम M को मिलाएंगे. A और M. Come on everyone, read first, then write. A, M. तो क्या बन जाएगा? M. You have to write it 3 times. A, M, M. A, M, M. बोलो सब, क्या बना? A, M, M. A, M, M. Come on, write all the words 3 times. Each word you have to write 3 times. Write down. A, M, M. Write down. A, M, M. A, M, M. These are 2-letter words. A, M, M. Now the next one is A और M को हटाकर हम लगाएंगे N. तो A, N, N. A, N, N. A, N, N. A, N, N. Each word you have to write 3 times. बोलना जरूरी है. It's very important to say and write. Mothers, this is your duty. This is your responsibility. You kindly make sure they read the words and then write. Kids, and I'm also looking at you. You have to say and write. It's very important to say the things before writing it. ठीक है? A, M, am. A, N, an. Now, number 3. ए और एन की जगह हम लगाएंगे एस. इंस्टेड ऑफ एन वी हैव टू राइट एस नाउ. तो ए एस एस. आपको मैम ने बताया था ना कि ए का साउंड ए होता है, हमारा मुंह खुलता है. तो फॉर दैट इन दिस वर्ड ए एस एस, ए एन एन, ए एम एम. Like this you have to read. A S S. Three times you have to write A S S. A S S. A M M, A N N, A S S. Read and write. Read and write. These are two letter words. ठीक है, words. What do you mean by words? When we add two or more letters together. जब हम दो या उससे ज्यादा letters को साथ में लिखते हैं, then they become words. Number 4. A T. Now we add T with A. A T at. A T at. A T at. A T at. At. Is it visible? The board is visible to you all, na? A M M, A N N, A S S, A T at. Okay, these are two letter words of A sound. A vowel sound. Parishi? Yes, Manika? Everyone is here, no? Hridyansh? Switch on the camera. Hridyansh? All right. Okay, ma'am. If you have any problem, no, write in the chat box. All right. Yes. Okay, ma'am. No problem. So these are two letter words of A vowel sound. आज हम कौन से vowel sound के words पढ़ रहे हैं? A vowel sound words. So words, I hope अब आपको समझ में आया. What do you mean by words? When we add two or more letters together, जब हम दो या उससे ज्यादा letters को मिलाते हैं, साथ में लिखते हैं, so they are known as words. Now, shall we move to next? Number 5. Now, A, G, egg, A, G, egg, 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 egg. Write down 3 times. A, G, egg. A-G, egg. Okay? A-M, am. A-N, an. A-S, as. A-T, at. And A-G, egg. So these are two letter words of a vowel sound. Write neatly. Now you are grown up. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो. So write down neatly. Padmini, switch on the camera. Yes, bacha. All right. So kids, ma'am do not have space here. So I have to erase this. है ना? Ma'am is not having space here, but you have. So you don't, you only have to write in continuity. As I don't have the space here, that's why I'm writing it here again after erasing it. ठीक है ना? You have to write in continuity. Number 6. Yes. Now we add A and D. A and D. So it becomes add. A, D, add. A, D, add. A, D, add. Look, मैं आपको कहती थी ना मैम used to say you कि बेटा phonic sounds are very important for us. So at that time, at this stage, we need phonic sounds. है ना? D, add, d, add. You have to write 3 times. Add, add. Always use phonic sound to read the words. At, at. Spelling bhi bolo, but use the phonic sound as well. A, g, ag. D, add. Yes. If you have set copy with you, then it is already written. You only have to write the words. But if you don't have the set copies, then you have to write this one also, plus wala. ठीक है? Now, 7th. The last one is A. अब हम क्या ऐड करेंगे A के साथ? What we are going to add with letter A? Let's see. P. P we are going to add. App. A-P, app. 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 Use the phonic sound. App. App. All right, so these are 2-letter words of a vowel sound. Add, add, app, app, at, at, egg, ag. Kids, try to read like this. You have to use the phonic sound for reading. आपको read करने के लिए phonic sound use करना है. At, egg, egg, add, app. All right. So write down in your English copy.